Hello everybody and welcome back to Math Adventures, and today I'm here with the other teacher, Idaira. She's our guest today, so we will work together on these math adventures. So I will start, and for the ones who don't know, in preschool we have been talking about measurement units. So today we're going to talk about weight. So that means that we can check things, how heavy they are or how light they are. For that, we can use different utensils to help us to measure different objects, things. And we have basically, two kinds of system. We have the mechanical scales, and we have also digital scales. Well, the truth is there's many different kinds of scales to use to measure different things. You can measure food, you can measure postcards, you can measure cars. So there's plenty of things in our daily life that actually we can use these units for, okay? And also different scales. So, but these are the ones that I think most of you might have seen already, okay? So we have the mechanical ones, and each one of them has these little things. These are different weights, and they help us to check how much something weighs, okay? But then we have now the modern ones and the digital ones. Maybe you have seen one of these in your own house, and we can use it for ourselves, to weight ourselves, okay? And also this one, for example, that we can use to measure if you have a bag full of things. You turn it on, and then you hold the bag here, and it will show you right here how much whatever you are weighing weighs, okay? So as you can see, there's different ones that we can use. Now the measurement units that we use for weight, well, there are quite a few ones, but I think the easiest ones for you to learn for now is these four. And as we have talked before, measurement units, we can always start from the smallest one, okay? And in this case, it's called a milligram. It's a very tiny one. But if you put enough of these together, as you know by now, these units, they can grow. They can get bigger and bigger. So if you get enough milligrams, you come to the next one, which are the grams. And these are already a little bit bigger than the milligrams, okay? And then if you keep adding more units here, then you go from grams to kilograms. And these are already quite big, okay? And then if you keep adding all these units, you get to an even bigger one. And we have the tons. Now these are huge, okay? As huge as a whale. Okay, a whale can weigh tons. So these are the four easiest units for you to know. But we actually, in math, in preschool, we only use these two, the grams and the kilograms. Okay, so one of the things that you can check at home, if your mom or your dad has maybe a digital scale, of course they also might have something like this one, but a mechanical one, it's fine. Both of them are good, okay? But ask them if they have a scale at home, and you can start by measuring yourselves. You can go and see how much you weight, okay? And then compare with mom and dad. And when you weight yourselves, you will see the number can get bigger and bigger, and it will either be there, the kilograms, and sometimes some of you still some grams, okay? Another thing that you can do at home is if you are baking, you can measure some of the ingredients. You can use one of these scales, one of these mechanical ones, if you have them. Some parents, they also might have the digital ones. And you can measure the sugar, the flour, whatever what you are baking needs, okay? And then you can check there how many grams, or if it's something very heavy, how many kilograms it has, okay? So this is my challenge for you guys this week, to either measure yourselves or something that you have at home, and then take pictures, make a video and send it to us. I would love to see what you have been up to, okay? Now next, there's a fun experiment that you can also do at home, and Idaira is going to show you what you can do.
So, hello guys! My challenge for you is to build your own scale. So, walking in the classroom, I found a hanger, some clothes pegs, and cups. I'm going to use these paper cups, but you can also use any plastic cups, and I'm going to attach it to the hanger. If you don't have clothes pegs, you can use tape or anything that you find at home. You can ask mommy and daddy for help. Now we check that this balanced. Yeah, more or less, yes. And that's how you can create one. Now we can check, for example, I found this car. I know you all have a lot of toys at home. So you can put the car and look what happens. The car is very heavy, so it leans to the side. Let's see how many dominoes we need to make this side as heavy as the car. You can also use Lego at home. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Around 9 pieces of domino can make this cup as heavy as the car. So at home, you can do the same. You can try to do your own scale. You can use a hanger, you can use any other things. I want to see what your ideas are. What do you find at home to make your own scale? Please take videos, take pictures and share them with us. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos.